In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage budgets and billings in Wrike. This process will help you keep all your financials organized and accessible, so you can focus on what truly matters in your projects. Let's dive in and take a look at how you can efficiently set up and manage your budgets and billings using Wrike. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and head over to your Wrike dashboard. This is your main hub where you can see an overview of all your projects and tasks. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the section where you can manage your budgets. Look for the highlight option. This is where we're going to focus our attention first. Once you've opened up the highlight section, you'll notice a plus icon. Clicking on this plus icon is your gateway to creating new entries or projects within your budget management. This is crucial as it enables you to start working on a fresh project from scratch, allowing you to manage specific budgets and billings accurately. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be prompted to choose a project. Select the project that you want to focus on, the one you'll be managing budget-wise. This step is critical because it ensures that you're working within the right context and not mixing up details between different projects. By keeping things organized, you'll make sure every project is managed efficiently. Now it's time to view your work in a spreadsheet format. This view is particularly useful because spreadsheets offer a comprehensive and structured way to lay out your budget and billing information. Having your financials presented this way allows you to see everything at a glance, making it easier to spot any discrepancies or areas that require immediate attention. Next, you'll click on Create. Here, you'll establish the parameters for your budget management. This step is essential as it dictates how your project's finances are going to be tracked. When prompted, type in the highlight. By typing in this section, you're essentially creating a focal point for your budget tracking efforts, ensuring that important financial data is both noted and emphasized. Finally, once more, you'll want to click Create to finalize the process. This action confirms your settings and applies them to the project you're managing. It's an important step to cement all the inputs you've made so far and ensure they synchronize within Wrike's system. Now your project is set up correctly, and your budgets and billings are properly managed within Wrike. And there you have it. With these steps, you can confidently manage budgets and billings in Wrike, making sure that all your financials are precisely accounted for. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one.